Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to dive into the world of the DJI Mini 2 SE, exploring some of its amazing features and sharing some knowledge to help you make the most of this incredible product and make a better informed decision should you decide to buy one. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the DJI Mini 2's compact design. This little drone is perfect for travel, fitting easily into a backpack or even your pocket. It's lightweight, yet it still packs a punch with its 31-minute flight time and 4K 30 frames per second recording capabilities. Now, let's move on to some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your DJI Mini 2 SE. First off, did you know that you can use your smartphone as a remote control? Just download the DJI Fly app and you're good to go. Next, let's talk about the Quick Shots feature. This is a game changer, allowing you to create professional looking videos with just a few tabs. Choose from 6 different quick shots, each with its own unique flight path and camera movements. Now let's talk about the DJI Mini 2 SE's camera. This little powerhouse can capture stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second, as well as 12 megapixel photos. It also features a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, stable footage no matter what. This incredible piece of technology has a maximum flight range of 6 miles also, and I can tell you that I have flown it over 3 miles away while streaming 1080p video with no lag or interruptions. Just amazing. This drone comes equipped with a number of safety measures, including a return to home function that offers protection in case of low battery or loss of radio signal, prevents it from flying to restricted airspace, and also alerts you of maximum altitude and aircraft malfunctions. I highly recommend this incredible drone as a sub 250 gram drone due to its capabilities as well as not having to register it with the FAA. We hope you have found these tips and tricks for the DJI 2 Mini SE enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech talk and reviews. Thanks for watching. Happy flying.